have some relationships that are absolutely amazing and others that are just a little awkward. Hi, my name is Tiffany Kellogg, and I'm excited to be able to share with you all about the Room Full of Referrals, which is a program that helps you develop stronger and referral-generating relationships. The goal, to help make more money, save more time, and have more fun. What's the Room Full of Referrals program all about? Here's what a couple people had to say.
Taught me how to shift my sort of personality, my tone, and my mannerism, and how I speak to potential clients.
I was able to hone down exactly what they were looking for, and I landed the contract over another contractor because of the detail I was able to provide him to make him happy for his style. And it ended up being a six-figure job for us, which in the audio video world is a giant job. And I can't help but thank Tiffany and Jason.
One of the things I have to tell you is that my practice from 2017, when I first took the course, to now 2021 has literally quadrupled in size thanks to the skills and the lessons I learned in Room Full of Referrals. Specifically, number one, not only can I communicate better with my clients based upon their behavioral style to see how my law firm can best serve their needs, but most importantly, I've been able to be in tune with my referral sources, being able to figure out what it is that makes them tick, how do they analyze things, and what that's resulted in is not only more personal satisfaction for me, but more money for my firm. So now, from just being in a firm that was located locally in the Tampa area, we have offices in Fort Lauderdale and Miami, and I've been not only teaching my team members about Room Full Referrals, but also sending my referral sources there because of the exponential growth.
During this program, we will be doing a live disc assessment so you can learn all about what you and your style. This is important because your behavioral style is affecting your referability. There are 4 different behavioral styles. Are you results-oriented, confident, and driven? You might be a go-getter. Are you people-oriented, inspiring, and influential, and you like to have fun? Then you might be a promoter. Are you detail-oriented, efficient, and analytical? You may be an examiner. And are you focused on the relationships? You like to make people feel more comfortable, and you're a great connector. You may be a nurturer. Throughout this program, we're going to help you identify the behavioral styles of other people in the room through their handshakes, the way they dress, and even the way they speak. The goal is to increase your referability through your relatability. When you walk into a room full of people, you're actually walking into a room full of referrals. In this program, we're going to develop a process for building deeper, more meaningful relationships that get bigger and better results and have some fun doing it. Let us help you turn some of those awkward relationships into amazing ones. While many people have heard about the golden rule, there's a tiny or huge problem with this well-intentioned rule. The golden rule says treat others the way that you want to be treated. The problem, most people prefer to be treated the way that they want to be treated, which is the platinum rule, a foundation of the Room Full of Referrals program. By the end, you will know how to identify people, what their style is, and how to treat them the way that they desire, helping increase your referability by increasing your relatability, which leads to more profitability.
Room Full of Referrals was amazing. Loved it.
So I can't thank you enough. I keep taking the courses so I can keep getting more of those.
I loved it. It was great.
You must take Room Full of Referrals. I have taken the course multiple times, and on a personal level, my business has grown exponentially from being a sole practice to now having people all over across the state of Florida. This is a course that you must take, and you won't regret you ever took it.
For additional information on the Room Full of Referrals program and the other programs offered by Asentiv, please visit tampa.asentiv.com. And we look forward to seeing you soon.